The Judd Racing 65 Evolution Extended Swing Arm has been synonymous with championship wins, European championship wins, and even a world championship win. It's the go-to swing arm if you're seriously racing a 65, and today we're excited to share the latest 2022 version with you. So what's new? Well, it's now 1.6 kilos lighter, yes, with a total weight of just 2,670 grams. That's 1.6 kilos lighter than its popular market-leading predecessor. There's a new chain guide mount with improved hole positions, meaning less wear on the chain guide itself. A biggie for anyone who's owned one of these swing arms before, we've made it so that you can utilize your original OEM part. Yes, you can use your original part, unlike the previous design. There's a reinforced rear shock mount with stainless steel thread, which greatly increases the service life, and it will take an Olin shock as well. Now, yet again, as with the 50 Evolution swing arm, we've made sure that this swing arm for the 65 meets scrutineering requirements with no through holes, so it doesn't compromise the safety of your child. Now, as with all of the Judd Racing swing arms, this is made from CNC Machined 6082 T6 Billet Aluminium. Now, we've had the swing arm in test riding to put it through its paces, and one of the major comments from the pilot was the improvement to the overall handling of the bike itself. Now, at a price of £999, and with all of these new modifications, it makes the Judd Racing Evolution still the leading 65 extended swing arm on the market. And it is, of course, the choice of world champions.